Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Sims Free Play app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. You just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list here and here you're looking for free or Sims Free Play app or just click on search. Then here add if Sims Free Play app, just click on it here. So then you come to this list, click here on full stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store here. Then here, so just switching to open video. You search here for the Sims Free Play app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.